Welcome to EdbMails, Office 365 Public Folder Migration, Step-by-Step Guide. EdbMails Office 365 migration software offers a simple and reliable way to migrate your public folders between tenants. With an intuitive interface and advanced features, it ensures a smooth migration process while preserving folder hierarchy, permissions, and metadata. EdbMails guarantees secure migration with modern authentication protocols like SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Its certifications, including ISO and compliance with GDPR and HIPAA, ensure that your data remains protected throughout the migration journey. Let's see the step-by-step procedure. Public folder migration prerequisite. Before you start migration, ensure to assign admin as owner of the root public folder on the source server. Create public folders on the target Office 365 server. Assign admin as owner of the root public folder on the target server. Download EdbMails from official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process. Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Click Let's Go. Connect to Office 365 source server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Expand the public folders. Select the folder that you wish to migrate. Select Migrate to Office 365. Connect to Office 365 target server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will receive migration completion message. Click View Log button to get migration report. That's it. For effortless Office 365 public folder migration, visit edbmails.com today.